Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 8.1. Given secant theta is 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So let's write down what is given to us. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. We know that cos theta is 1 by secant theta. So let's write cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. Now let's mark a right angle triangle so that we know what sides are given to us. I'm marking this as randomly A, B and C and marking this particular angle as theta. So according to the definition, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is given to you is BC is 12 and AC is 13. Now what we are asking us is to compute all the other trigonometric ratios. So first let's find out what is AB. So AB square is going to be equal to AC squared minus BC squared. Because according to Pythagorean theorem, AC square is BC square plus AB square. So I've rearranged the formula like this. So AC square is 13 square minus BC square is 12 square. So 169 minus 144, which is 25. AB square is 25, which means AB is equal to 5. So let's mark this side as 5. Now they're asking us all the other trigonometric ratio. We have already generated cos theta from secant theta. So let's see what else is needed. The next is sin theta. So according to this angle definition that I have marked, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so which is going to be equal to 5 by 13. Next is going to be tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so this is going to be 5 by 12. Since we wrote sin theta, I will be able to write cosecant theta directly, which is 1 by sin theta. So I'm flipping it 13 by 5. Similarly, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So I can simply flip the tan theta and get 12 by 5. So given secant theta, we have generated all the other 5 trigonometric ratios. So that's all this is. Ensure that you have highlighted your answers here. Also, you can mark the theta of your choice in this diagram. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.